Despite their ecological significance and the benefits they offer, mangroves are threatened by human activities, such as coastal development, aquaculture, and the overexploitation of their resources. These pressures have led to significant mangrove habitat losses worldwide, with about 35% of mangrove forests disappearing in recent decades. The degradation of mangrove ecosystems has dire consequences, including increased coastal erosion, reduced water quality, and the decline of fisheries, making coastal communities more vulnerable to natural disasters. The Blue Carbon Mangrove Initiative is part of a nationwide effort to plant 1 million mangrove trees by 2030 across the western province of Sierra Leone.